Hello everyone, welcome to ForceBolt's YouTube channel. Today we will share a project case study where we created a highly secure and encrypted blockchain-based mailing service titled Dmail. Let me start with the advantages of Dmail, a blockchain-based mailing service. First, the main advantage of blockchain mailing service is privacy. The most extensive email services right now are free, but the payment happens with our data for monetizing purposes, targeted advertisements, or other functionalities by the centralized mailing services. Second, with email on the blockchain, the contents of each message would be stored on a decentralized ledger. No one but the sender and receiver could access it, leaving no space for data breaches and privacy concerns. Third, in this project, we have created a highly secure and encrypted blockchain-based mailing service with encrypted text content and attachments like pictures and documents related to mail stored encrypted on IPFS and can only be decrypted at the receiver's end. Let me share the technologies and frameworks we have used for successful project execution. First, Solidity, language for writing smart contracts for mailing service. Second, IPFS, for digital attachments storage. Third, DAG-JOS and DAG-CBORD, used for content and assets encryption and decryption. Fourth, Next.js, front-end framework to create client-side. Fifth, Web3.js, library to interact with smart contracts from front-end. Sixth, Truffle or Ganache, local blockchain development and testing. Seventh, testing network Ropsten. Eighth, MetaMask, wallet for transactions. Here are the challenges we overcame in this project. First, unique digital attachments solution. Encrypting not only text content but assets like files or images to only be decrypted at the user's end, making it a unique feature in a mailing service. Second, blockchain storage drawbacks. Mails may contain a huge amount of data that cannot all be stored on chain itself. So we handle it using off-chain and on-chain data combinations with only encrypted hash stored on the blockchain. Third, high gas fees, implemented pointing to encrypted assets functionality to decrease transaction fees to very little. Fourth, network limitations. Fifth, smart contract risks, took care of high security standards while writing smart contracts. Let me show you the project workflow first. Sign in or sign up, compose mail, encrypt and attach digital assets, receive mail, decrypt and download or view digital assets. Now let's start with the demo. To begin with, you need to have a MetaMask installed and some Ropsten Ethereum in it. Right now, our DAPP, which is decentralized app, is live on the Ropsten. After this, you must connect your wallet if you already have an account related to the address. Let's move to creating a new account and go for the Connect wallet. Here you will have the option to create a username for your account. Your username should follow the criteria mentioned here. I choose this as the domain name and will now click on Create an account. We have to pay fees for creating an account on the blockchain, which is 0.0004. The transaction is confirmed now. After the transaction is successful, the account will be created. As you can see, the account has been created. Now, let's move ahead with logging in. We are on the login page where we have to connect our wallet. Now, we will direct you to our dashboard. This is a new account, so it is empty. Now we will go to Compose and add the domain address of the user we have to send the mail to. I'll add the domain name, then the subject title, etc. Here is the rich text editor where you can add the desired content, and it allows you to format and style your text using these controls such as bold, strike, italic, underline, general inline formatting and more. The rich text editor provides many text styling options. You can also attach files. Here I am selecting the picture and the file attachment for our mail. Now the attachment will be stored in our IPFS and interplanetary file system. The files will not be stored in the IPFS system in raw form. Instead, they will be stored in an encrypted format and will be decrypted at the user's end. For example, if I'll send this email to this address, then only this person would be able to decrypt the attachments. This is the most unique and secure feature. Only the receiver can access the attached documents. After uploading the documents, they will be uploaded on IPFS. Now let's go for sending. Now you just have to pay the small transaction fees for this, as you know it happens in the blockchain. So we have just confirmed the transaction and waited for it to get approved. Currently the transaction is pending. Now as you can see, the transaction is confirmed and now it will be decrypted at the receiver's end. Let's go to the send option. Here is the email that we have sent. So as I said, the email can be decrypted at the receiver end. So let me go to the email address to which I sent the mail. So this is the account that I sent an email to. This is the one, as you can see. These are all the read emails from the past, and this is the one we have sent now. As you can see, this is a highly encrypted email, and these attachments are also encrypted. These are just now decrypted through IPFS. We are restoring this. You can also download the same and view it in the browser. Another feature is, if someone gets access to your hash on the IPFS, they will not be able to see the mail content as it is encrypted and can only be decrypted via the Dmail platform, making it a highly secure and viable blockchain-based platform service. As you can see, I have received the email. Also, these are some old emails, the emails that I sent earlier. So this is our project, Dmail, focusing on blockchain-based security and privacy mailing services. The results we achieved were as follows. First, implementation of all the assets attached to the user's account to create a decentralized encrypted asset storage solution. Second, created APIs for the public use of mailing service for creating and managing their Dmail accounts. If you're looking for a team of experts to provide you with the best blockchain development and services on AI and ML according to your business processes, then ForceBolt got you covered. Hire proficient developers from ForceBolt who have rich experience with blockchain implementation. Our experts will provide you with the right set of skills and knowledge. Contact us now.